A cháirstein, ha mi bhí a roundsluch gascich a bhíogur se chur seachad seo. A tucail chlachan sin sealtain chaláte sa bhaiad. A clachan tucail, lifting stones, clachan tucail rin lárach Géalteach, an an dúchan an lochanach agus fiag an tuil. Hat. Chanéil mi I dìochuimhnich. I'm not making anything of it or succeeding. I dìochuimhnich. Fi mi tílig má chóir canéile. Ha céis Jackum, dé ha sán chuch gascoch dhéimhse. Coltas glensach, dána. Chané idir. Bhí curáist uitach, neo ábhaisteach. Saunnas misse ha chúise dal. Simmerut he in duine a bhí as fatta bia. He who lives long enough will see many things. Simmerut he in duine a bhí as fatta bia. Biar leum sa gascoch ha car amach as an ábhaist. Is ha galeorhiú ha facail dílip bharaineach, a lasting legacy. Dílip bharaineach.
Mar an Joan a hook a lehead seo, Daum Jalain Ushke, a hydroelectric dam, Daum Jalain Ushke. Nio na dúine fóinseach a chluich tunnelin et na daim agus stationin Jalain Ushke, hydroelectric power stations, stationin Jalain Ushke. An an tunnel an an sireach fiarst, cha kiet 60 meter a chluich as a chrig an an seachgan, klaar currien tuilik an aum. Ha fiscin anig sibh banna gascoch na Gàidhlig a ha cóna rom in dú. Che bhíos a sein, rí down sa céim, a líomhraigh na Heimseir agus SpeakGaelic.
Calum, is sé seach program sa seach ha mi idhmagáid gwan a bhí a-muigh idhchúirs cóil darúcht.
Do bheitthe gan dúich joy. Nishe, a sinne ar slí a chunne chudí gascich a dún an cúteoprach a-muigh an seo agus stácha. Gin tá sinne pic an cúteach gaibh.
Yn orsma.
Gleva?
Ha sin an an chairman nátar náisiúnta Gleann Afric, Glen Afric National Nature Reserve, chairman nátar náisiúnta Gleann Afric. Seo na gascich, Skippe Cari Starain Vinne, a hill path repair team, Skippe Cari Starain Vinne. Dúine train a bhíos a-muigh ans gach Heimseir. Chané dat druil a haiad seo a laisiachuig ach geolach is spatch. She Kirsty night a hosan ciún.
Kirsty, can you tell me what work is taking place here today?
We get really high footfall here in Glen Afric and really high rainfall as well. This layer on top of the path can wash out and because we're on the hill, it can slide down and then it blocks the sort of water bars, sort of the cross drains that go across the path. So we want to help to clear that sediment and path materials from the drains.
You say it's really busy here. What are the main things that draw visitors to Glen Afric?
People love to see all the different species we have here, and the most important one probably is the Caledonian pine forest. We've got some trees here that are over 300 years old.
Calum, ha is gur talet vi tucail chlachan. Bicin MacIlleathain?
Lár a chéile ha tuileadh cuidigh dhí, scan scéal ar Calum sem mé hín a ha cur nan céistean.
Kirsty, why are we here?
So we're here today to do some removal of some non-native tree species. So what we've got here is lodgepole pine, which is not native to Scotland. So we will need to be removing it today.
And how often do you have to do this?
So we're always actively surveying to see if we see any species that are needing to be removed, and we would just sort of do it there and then if possible.
Well, I'm more than happy to help you with the removal, but I'm not very sure where Calum has gone.
Joy! Fucked in a hacha!
As Jane a hoprach, a rain joy, ha mi getorst gu binian le.
Seanis Joy. Seo unjin na Shalian is siar a ha cortach rooms and skíra seo.
Agus tuici mi cyrson apad sialwg erachgil. Anil a-gaibh, a-muigh.
Gàidhlig. The Gael's breathing place at the summit, so the true Gael only stops for breath at the top. Anil a-gaibh, a-muigh.
A mi hyn y fferach yn gyma GalGael nam hwy sio os mi yn mwchwrsach y glei sialdi'n Alba.
Sin an töver I bhíos me sé I dul gan na beanta.